Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a multi-index data frame in Pandas allows you to work with higher dimensional data in a more structured way. A multi-index, also known as a hierarchical index, can be particularly useful when you want to represent data that has multiple levels of indexing, such as time series data, data categorized by multiple keys, or more complex data sets. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to create and manipulate a multi-index data frame in Pandas. Step 1. Import the necessary libraries. First, you'll need to import the Pandas library. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using pip. Now, import Pandas in your Python script or Jupyter notebook. Step 2. Create a multi-index. You can create a multi-index using the pd multiindex.from_tuples method, or by passing a list of tuples to the index parameter when creating a data frame. Example 1, creating multi-index from tuples. Example 2, creating a data frame with multi-index. Now, let's create a data frame using the multi-index we just created. Step 3, manipulating multi-index data frame. You can perform various operations on a multi-index data frame, such as selecting data, aggregating values, and more. Selecting data. You can use the LOC method to select data based on the multi-index. Aggregating data. You might want to aggregate data at a specific level. You can use the groupby function along with the sum function. Step 4, resetting the index. If you want to convert the multi-index back to columns, you can use the reset_index method. Step 5, stacking and unstacking. You can stack and unstack levels of the multi-index to reshape your data frame. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered how to create a multi-index data frame in Pandas, manipulate it, and perform various operations such as selecting data, aggregating values, and reshaping the data frame. Multi-index data frames are powerful tools for handling complex datasets and can simplify a lot of data manipulation tasks in Pandas.